Hi guys, we are from class DLS1A. Today I and my teammates are here to discuss about the functions of sources document. I am the leader of the team. As a team leader, I will start my session. And my name is Thiru Prasad Vadivalagan and my matrix number is 23DLS22F2003. Promise to pay. Cash invoices are usually issued in transactions where the goods are received and the payment is made immediately. Receipts, on the other hand, are issued on the completion of the payment. Invoices are usually a request from the seller to buyer for the payment to be made. The second one is payment voucher. A payment voucher is a way to record payments made to suppliers and maintain a history of payments that your business has made. Companies use vouchers to gather and file supporting documents that are required to approve and track payments of liabilities. A voucher typically includes all of the supporting documents showing the money owed and any payments made for an outstanding payable. Some of the common documents are supplier invoice, supplier name, terms of payment such as the amount owed, the due date, and any discounts for paying the invoice early. Company purchase order, receipt of goods in received, general ledger accounts, signatures of authorized representative, proof of payment of invoice and date of payment. The last one is memo. A debit memorandum or memo is a form or document, sometimes called a debit memo invoice, that informs a buyer that the seller is debiting or increasing its amount in the accounts receivable, thus increasing the amount of the buyer's accounts payable due to extenuating circumstances. The posting type is used to record anticipated expenditure and other charges which cannot be recovered as true disbursements. That's all from me, guys. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Melvin Raj from DLS 1A. My metric number is 23 DLS 22 F2029. Today I'm going to explain about delivery order. A delivery order is a document from a consignee or an owner of his agent of freight carrier which order the release of the transportation of cargo to another party. It means a delivery order is one of the main important document to transport the cargo. Okay, usually the written order permits the direct delivery of goods to a warehouseman, carrier, or other person who is in the course of their ordinary business issue warehouse receipt or bill of lading. Moreover, a delivery order was not regarded as a document or a title at common law, with the result that transfer of delivery order did not effect transfer of constructive possessive of the goods. Next one is receipt. A receipt, also known as a packaging list, packaging slip, delivery docket, shipping list, delivery list, bill of the parcel, manifest or customer receipt, is a document acknowledging that a person has recovered money or property in a payment following a sale or other transfer of goods or provision of service. All receipt must have been date of the purchase on them. If the receipt of the payment is legally required to collect sales tax or VAT from the customer. The customer, the amount would be added to the receipt and the collection would be deemed to have been on behalf of the relevant tax authority. In many countries, a retailer is required to include the sale tax or VAT in the display price of goods sold, from which the tax amount would be calculated at the point of the sale and remitted to the tax authorities in due course. Similarly, amounts may be deducted from the amounts payable, as this case of taxes withheld from the wages. On the other hand, tips or other gratuities that are given by a customer, for example, a restaurant, would not form a part of the payment amount or appear on the receipt. That's all from me. Thank you.
Guys, my name is Yugendra Rao. My metric number is 23DLS22F2051. Today I'm gonna talk about source document of invoice. An invoice is an itemized commercial document that records the product or service delivered to the customer. The total amount due in the preferred payment method. The seller can send either paper or electric invoice to the customer. That's all from me. Thank you guys.
Hi guys, my name is Surya. My matrix number is 23DLS22F2053. Today I want to talk about some sources used in the business. The first one is purchase order. The purchase order is a contract between the buyer and the seller, and it gives specific information like product or services to be delivered, delivery date, and any other terms and condition including the price. The purchase order is also called as PO. Inventory management just became much simpler with Teleprime. The second one is sales order. A sales order is a document generated by a seller for its internal use in processing a customer order. The document essentially translated the format of purchase order received from the customer into the format used by the seller. The third one is debit note. A debit note is a document used by a vendor to inform the buyer of current debt obligation, or a document created by a buyer when returning goods received on credit. The debit note can provide information regarding an upcoming invoice or serve as a reminder for funds currently due. The third one is credit note. A credit note or credit memo is a commercial document issued by a seller to a buyer. Credit note acts as source document for the sales return journal. In other words, the credit note is evidence of the reduction in sales. Thank you guys.